I am.
That's right and left and up and down. Right and left. We're going to go one notch flat. And here we go. It doesn't have much power. Doesn't need hardly any trim. I can't believe it.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
No gear hung. Not all the way up. Yeah, I mean, I just put a little bit of up elevator trim in it, and that's all I needed. That's about half throttle, a little over half. Dang nose gear didn't retract. It's not overpowered. Don't mind.
I lost it there for a second.
So I'm going to trust you, man. Can I get in front next to the runway? And
Yeah.
you come down and go.
Yep.
Aileron high rate.
Where did he go? I lost it. There it is.
Oh, it's already complaining about the battery voltage. Yeah. Hey, well, let's do a gear pass.
Okay.
Take off flaps. Gear down.
Okay, right here?
Why don't you come back here?
Okay.
1 landing flaps.
Yeah, especially on your first landing, huh?
Yeah, you're probably making him nervous, and he doesn't need to be any more nervous.
I'll still take it.
Any comments to the camera?
Needs more power.